Hi, my name is Andrew, and my garden is frozen. Broccoli, frozen. Carrots, gone to the abyss. Like, where are they? They're in the abyss. Amish guy, frozen. Cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, frozen. Peas, frozen. Beets, into the abyss. Trespassing sign, gone. It's supposed to be right here. Okay, so now about the cabbages. We're just gonna let them go until early spring to see what happens. So cold I can't even say my letters right. It's 16 degrees out here, and I am outside. My main guess, if we let this go until early spring, so the ground is frozen. I don't know if the plants are going to go dormant or just die. My guess is maybe just die. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyways, we'll find out in the spring. So that's it. Just wanted to give you a tiny tour of my frozen garden. I will be doing another video pretty soon for you guys. So looking forward to that. And well, fourth, I don't think my Amish guy is gonna make it. Because first of all, he has no shoes, no socks, and his hat kind of fell off and nothing for his face. And he is just laying down there in the snow. Well, I guess we'll see. If you like my videos, make sure you subscribe and like. And bye!